Okay, guys. So asas nombor, base number. First question. In our daily life, dalam kehidupan seharian kita, asas nombor yang mana kita guna? Which type of base number we are using in our daily life? Correct, base 10. Okay, so the whole world, satu dunia, kita guna base 10. Yeah, thank you, Afika. I'll share screen. So base 10 ini macam seragam lah. It is uniform for all the country. Cuba bayangkan, try to imagine if one country use number in base 10 and another country use number in base 8. Cuba bayangkan situasi ini. Ini adalah situasi yang sangat susah lah. It's quite a difficult situation. Let's say Malaysia choose to use all the number in base 10, and then let's say Singapore like to use the number in base 8. Then how do we do the conversion? Macam mana nak buat penukaran? So it's very difficult sebab selalunya dalam kehidupan seharian we'll always use base numbers. Kita selalu akan guna nombor dalam kehidupan seharian kita. So this is the importance of this topic actually. Kepentingan topik ini. Okay, so this is like an introduction lah. So any one of you know siapa-siapa ambil ASK masa tingkatan 3? Any of you all take Asas Science Computer when Form 3? Kenal tak bab ni, Afika? I think you all study this chapter when in Form 3, right? About base number in ASK. Kalau geng RBT tak tahu yang ni. Those who take Reka Bentuk Teknologi don't know this chapter. But siapa yang ambil ASK tahu yang ni. Sebab yang ni is in one of the ASK chapter actually. Okay, so can you all tell guys, base number, what is the, nombor perduaan, what is the importance of base number actually? Apa kepentingan asas nombor ini? Dalam bidang apa kita guna? Which field do we use this base number? Anyone know? Satu bidang yang amat penting di dunia ini. Yes, computer tech, correct. Especially coding. Coding banyak guna benda ni, base number. Okay. So base number is widely used in coding, programming. Semua yang ni guna base number. Okay, so this is the importance of base number actually. Okay, so now we go and revise a bit on this base number thing. Okay, so let's say, guys, first question, we do a bit of recap first on this base number. Okay, base 0. Does base 0 exist? Adakah asas kosong wujud di dunia ini? Is there base 0? No, right? Very good. Is there base 1, guys? Asas 1 ada tak di dunia ini? Does number in base 1 exist? Tak ada. Okay, means you all understand. Maksudnya asas yang wujud di dunia ini hanya dari 2 sampai 10. The only base numbers that exist in our world is from 2 to 10. Why? Because if you all remember the definition of base number, maksud asas nombor, setiap digit dalam sesuatu asas nombor kena kurang dari asasnya. Setiap digit kena kurang dari asasnya. Each of the digits in a base number must have a value less than its base. So let's say kosong. Nombor kurang dari kosong apa, guys? What is a number less than 0? Negative. Takkan kita nak tulis negative dalam digit kita? We won't put a negative number in our number digit, right? So it doesn't make sense. Asas kosong ni tak bawa logic pun. No logic. If 1, cuba bayangkan guys, nombor dalam asas 1. Try to imagine this. Base numbers in base 1. 0, 0, 0, asas 1. Logic tak guys? Is this logical? 0, 0, 0, base 1? Sebab kena kurang dari asasnya, selalunya. Tak logic kan? Means this kind of numbers don't exist actually. Sebab tak ada nilai pun. There is no value over here. Okay, so that is why kita akan mula dengan asas 2 selalunya. So asas 2 guys, base 2. How many possibility of number we have to fill in with the number base 2? Berapa kebarangkalian ada untuk asas 2? Yes, 2 numbers. Very good. Apa 2 nombor tu? What is the 2 numbers? Cannot number 2 cannot. Kena kurang dari asas. Deshwen. Your number that you choose must be lesser than the base over here, which is 2. So that's why the answer is 0 and 1. Okay, remember this guys. Nombor sama dengan asas tak boleh jadi. Okay. So the summary is like this. Untuk 2, boleh kosong 1. Later 3, kamu akan tambah 1. You will add 1. As the number base increases, the number of possibility also increases by 1. Bila asas nombor tu bertambah 1, bilangan digit yang boleh diisi pun akan bertambah 1. Ini adalah pola dia. Kamu boleh lihat. Saya cuba tulis semua asas nombor yang kita ada. Okay, so this is an important thing you all must remember. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then sampai 10 saya boleh tulis 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so ingat, tak boleh ada nombor yang sama digitnya. You cannot have a same digit as the base. Sorry. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dan asas 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, asas 10 sampai 9 lah macam ni. Sorry. So why I do this? Sebab nanti saya akan tanya soalan ke kamu semua. I'll ask you all a question actually. Like we play game and see, does this kind of number exist? Adakah nombor macam ni wujud tak kat dunia ini? So I'll ask you in the next slide actually. So just remember this for now. Okay guys, sampai sini boleh faham macam mana saya buat semua ini? Can you all understand? Ini tunjuk kebarangkalian nombor sahaja dalam satu digit, just to show the possibilities we have. Okay, understand? So now I ask a few questions to you guys. We just play around with the numbers now. Okay, 10 base 2. Asal nombor ni wujud ke tak? Does this type of number exist? Yes or no? Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, 433 base 4 exists or not? Wujud ke tak? No, very good. Okay, this one no. And then let me see. Nombor ni guys, 999. Apa asas nombor ini? Bila saya tak tulis asas dia, maksud dia asas apa? Yes, betul, asas 10. Okay, maksudnya wujudlah this kind of number exist. Bila soalan exam tak tulis asas guys, kena ingat. Mereka mungkin tak akan tulis asas 10. Sebab semua nombor dalam matematik mereka tak tulis pun. All the numbers in maths, if it's base 10, mereka akan anggap kamu tahu itu adalah nombor dalam asas 10. They will assume you all know. Okay, so you all must actually know lah, it is in base 10. Okay, so asas yang lain mereka akan tulis, jangan risau. Kalau mereka nak dalam asas 4, soalan akan tulis kat kamu, asas 4 kat situ. If the question want any other base, they will have to inform you. Okay, so just this one only, special case. So other than that, okay, let me see what else to tell. Okay, so we talk about this. Okay, so now how about adding? Sekarang kita buat operasi penambahan, okay? Penambahan asas nombor. So let's say guys, saya ada dua nombor macam ni. Boleh tak saya terus tambah dua-dua nombor ni? Can I directly add both of these numbers guys? No. So what is my step? Apa langkah saya perlu buat? Yeah, correct. Change to the same base. Okay, so you have two options. Kamu ada dua pilihan sebenarnya. 10102 ni kamu boleh tukar kepada asas 5. You can change it to base 5. This is one option. Or what is the second option guys? Apa pilihan yang kedua saya boleh buat untuk selesaikan yang ni? What is the second option I have? Ada dua lagi. Yes, very good. Change both to base 10. Very good. Tukar dua-dua nombor ini kepada asas 10. Okay, correct. Ya, base 5 pun boleh, correct. Dua pilihan lah. Ataupun kamu nak tukar yang ni kepada asas 2 pun boleh. Okay, you can change the 343 base 5 to also base 2. So that also is acceptable. Juga boleh diterima. Ya, asalkan base sama. Okay, baru kamu boleh buat operasi macam ni. Only same base, you can plus and minus. Okay, so this is the important point. Kalau nak tukar base 8, boleh. Tapi jalan kerja kamu panjang lah sikit. Kamu kena tahu mana jalan kerja yang paling singkat kamu boleh guna. You have to use the shortest working guys. A lot of possibility, but you have to be wise to choose which is the fastest to solve the question actually. Sebab banyak kaedah boleh. Okay, minda kena terbuka sikit. You all have to be open sebab ada banyak cara boleh guna. Okay, so like that lah. 10 dengan 2 lah yang paling senang. Ya, betul. Okay guys, so you all know this chapter. KBSM and KSSM, syllabus ni ada banyak perbezaan tentang bab ni. Do you all know the difference guys? Adakah cikgu bagi tahu kamu dalam bab ni KBSM guna asas apa, KSSM guna asas apa? No Did your teacher tell KBSM what base they all use and KSSM? No Wow. Okay. So KBSM guys, mereka hanya bagi soalan dalam 3 asas ini sahaja. If I'm not mistaken lah, base 2, base 8, base 10. Hanya 3 soalan, hanya 3 asas macam ni. But your batch, KSSM, 2 sampai 10. Maksudnya 3, 4, 5 semua included. Okay, jadi tak ada apa-apa beza sebenarnya. No difference. Just that ada lebih banyak soalan kamu tak boleh guna calculator. You cannot rely on calculator to solve most of the question now. Because kalau kamu sedar, calculator kamu ada berapa base guys boleh guna untuk bab ni. How many bases can we press in the calculator to solve this question? Yes, betul. Ada 4. Okay, so can you all see your calculator? Wait, I show you all. Saya tunjuk kat kamu lebih senang. Try to check your calculator and see. Stop share. Okay. Can you see guys? Bahagian ini. Yang ni. Okay, you all can see DEC, HEX, OCT, and BIN. 4 base number. 4 asas. 4 asas ini ada diuji dalam silibus KBSM, I rasa. Tapi KSSM mereka tambah lagi banyak. In your latest KSSM syllabus, they add on a few more bases. Class WIS, yang ni bukan class WIS, Afiq. Yang ni FX 570MS. Bukan class WIS. Okay, so this is for those using, okay. So, okay guys, DEC. DEC asas apa guys? Bila nampak dalam calculator. Hafika dah type seluruh kepala saya. Very good. Hex, Afika, hex base 6. Yang lain betul. Okay guys, so you all can refer to Afika punya jawapan. 4 butang kat sini. Tak ada base 16 Afika sebab limit kita sampai 10 saja. Ada 9 digit di dunia ini guys. There is only 9 digit. If you all realize, in this whole world, got only 9 digit. Total 9 lah in this world. Sebab 10 adalah gabungan 1 dan 0. Digit 1 dan 0. 10 is a combination of 1 and 0. So actually 10 not counted. So you have total only 9 digit they create in this world. Semua nombor lain adalah gabungan 2, 3 atau 4 digit. Macam tu. Okay, so you only have 9 base number. But you have to minus out the 0 and 1 lah. Sebab 0 dan 1 tak boleh ada asas nombor. Okay. Base 16 masuk huruf nanti. Ya, huruf. Yang tu dah huruf. Okay. So, if you all want to use base number, you can press your mode. Tekan mode kat calculator kamu sampai kamu nampak yang ni. Until you see, until you see this one. Can you see the base guys in your calculator? Press number 3. Bila kamu masuk bab ni, kamu tekan butang 3. And then you just add any number you like. Kamu cuba tekan 10 tambah 10. You just press and see. There, you get 100. Okay, ini adalah dalam asas 2. This is in base 2. Okay, itu sebab saya dapat 100. Jangan takut guys. Tiba-tiba nampak 10 tambah 10 mengapa 100. This is in base 2. So don't think this is in base 10. Okay, so this is just an example for you guys. So macam mana nak tahu guys? 100 dalam asas 2. 100 base 2 is how many in base 8? Tekan saja yang OCT ni. Just press the OCT. It will straight away come out the answer for you. So kamu tak perlu pun buat secara manual. You no need to do manually. You see, you direct get 4. Maksudnya 10 tambah 10 dalam asas 8, jawapan dia 4. This is the concept. Okay, can you understand guys? Boleh faham? Until here? Just do the conversion like that only. Okay, tapi calculator hanya 4 asas boleh guys, only 4. So rest, you all have to do manual. Asas lain kena buat manual dah. Okay, and also your paper 2, kertas 2, subjektif pun kena buat manual. Cannot use calculator also. Okay, so we go back to the notes. Let's share. Okay. Wait guys, someone text me. Okay. Okay, so this is the difference lah. Ini saya terangkan tadi. The difference between your KBSM and KSSM syllabus now about base number. Base number now they test this, but KBSM only 6 base I think. Ada asas 6 juga. Okay, so this is the difference over here. So let me think anything else. Okay, I try to explain to you guys about the technique about plus and minus. Okay, I try to give you all some example. So let's say saya nak tambah dua-dua nombor ni sekarang. We go from simple to complex guys. Kita pergi dari senang ke susah. Okay guys. Oh, never mind. I think I know how to do this. I don't start with base 8. Saya buat tambah biasa guys. Just do a normal plus to understand this concept. I don't want 5. 8. 3. Okay guys, dua-dua nombor ni dalam asas apa? Both of these numbers in what base now? I write. Asas apa? These two numbers. Yes, very good, base 10. Okay, so don't tell me guys, you use calculator straight away find the answer. Saya nak tunjuk secara manual sekarang to help you understand the concept. Okay, I show manually. So 0 plus 3, you just get 3. This is the important step guys. Ini adalah konsep sangat penting dalam asas nombor. If the asas nombor give you other than 10. Okay, kalau selain asas 10, ini adalah konsep dia kamu kena faham. 2 tambah 8, kamu dapat 10 guys. This one you get 10. So what is the number you will fill in at the bottom here guys? If you do manually, apa digit kamu akan isi kat situ? 9 Yes, 0. Very good. So why 0? Mengapa kamu isi kosong? Because 10, you must minus the base. 10 minus 10. Yes, very good. Correct. Okay, so then what you will put on top here, guys? Apa nombor kamu letak ke atas? If you 10 minus 10, then on top carry 1. Yes, kamu kena pindah 1 ke atas. Very good. Okay, so this is the concept over here. You will get this answer. 1203 base 10. Okay, so this is the basic example for you to understand. Yang paling asas. So now we play with different base. Kita main asas berbeza sekarang. Okay, let's say, I give you all a chance lah. You all choose what base you all want. Apa asas nombor kamu suka? Just tell a base 8. Okay, wow, 2 people also say 8. Wow, coincidence very high. Okay, so let's say 33 base 8 plus, yalah 8 is a lucky number. 8 tu nombor sangat bertuah sebenarnya. Okay, so 15 base 8. Okay, so let's say 8. Okay guys, kalau boleh bagi jawapan teruslah. What is your answer for this? Jangan tekan calculator guys. Don't press calculator. Do manually. What answer do you get? 50. Saya pun kena kira. Sat. Okay, yes, correct. 50. Very good. Okay, so this is the concept I test on you guys again. Okay, so 5 plus 3, you will get 8. So 8 minus 8, you get 0. That is why 0 is here. Kat sini. Lepas tu kena pindah 1. You carry 1 forward. So 50 base 8. Okay, good. One more, then we can go to subtraction pula. Okay, let's say sekarang saya bagi dalam asas 2. Okay, base 2. Selalunya nombor-nombor asas 2 ni akan sangat panjang guys. It will be a very long number they will give. So you have to be careful. Kena hati-hati bila buat tambah dan tolak. Okay. So 1, 1, 1. 0. The 1. 1, 0. Okay. Okay, so we do slowly guys together. So base 2. Kosong tambah kosong tak ada apa-apa. You can write 0 because 0 less than 2. Kosong lebih kecil daripada 2. Okay, this case. Yang ni kena hati-hati sebab 1 tambah 1 now. So you still have to write 0. Kamu kena tulis kosong. Okay, because 2 minus 2, you get 0. Okay, lepas tu pindah 1. Put 1 on top. 1 plus 1, again 0. So then you carry 1 again. Kamu pindah 1 lagi. 3 minus 2, 1. You carry 1 again. Pindah 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1 again. Guys, last digit what lah? Careful, Zedji. This one got one more. This part. 1 plus 1 still 2. So 0 again. Yes. So you put 1 more here. It'll come like this. 100,000. Okay. I tell easy lah. 100,000. Saya tak mau baca seluruh nombor ni. Okay. You will get this answer. Okay. So make sure this one you have to pindah over here because total here already 2. So you must take 2 minus 2. Become 0. Then you pindah extra one number. Okay guys, can you understand? Boleh faham? Contoh ni macam mana saya buat? Okay so now we go to subtraction. Kita pergi pada bahagian penolakan pula. Same concept guys, not difficult also, but just to go through with you all. So let's say, saya bagi contoh asas 10 lagi. Wait 243 minus 55. Okay, lebih kompleks lah. Okay, let's say this is a number in base 10. Base 10. Anggap dua-dua nombor ni dalam asas 10. Okay. So now, how will you guys solve? What is your first step? Jika buat secara manual. If you are doing manually, how do you all start this kind of question? Ya, pinjam. Guna kaedah pinjam. Means you borrow from here. Potong 2 jadi 1. And then, you will pindah over here. Potong lagi. Borrow from left number. Yes, correct. Okay, so then you will put 14 on top here. Because 10 plus 4, you get 14. And then cancel again. And then borrow again. Okay, so you will get 8, 8, 1. Did I do correctly? Yeah, correct. Okay, so you'll get like this. 188 base 10. Okay, why? This is the thing. Wait, I show you again. Just see again slowly. Okay, so you see here. Can I direct minus this number, Jody? I ask you a question. First part, can I direct minus these two number? Yes, cannot. This part, can I direct minus? Yes, no. Okay, so definitely we have to pinjam from here lah. We have to borrow the number from the last digit on the left. Okay, so this is why I say you have to cancel this, become 1. Can you understand this, Jody? 2 cancel, become 1. Okay, so then why I say this become 14? Because both of these number are in base 10. So base 10 you must plus with the 4. Kamu kena tambah asal 10 dengan digit 4 tu. Become 14. Okay, can understand this part? Okay, so now we have to pinjam again. Because these two number we cannot minus. Kita tak boleh tolak dua nombor ni lagi. So if I pinjam again, if I cancel 14 become what, Jody? What number should I write now? Yes, very good, 13. So here become what number now on top for the last side? Yes, also 13, very good. So there you get your answer already. Kamu dah dapat jawapan 188. Can you understand now? Okay, so good. So this is how we do it. So let's say I give you all another example now in a different base. Let's say I choose base 5. Saya guna asas 5. 243 base 5 minus wait now guys, let me think. I cannot already. Wait. Let's say I choose. I'm trying to make sure you all can really understand. So I put the hardest example. 4. Okay. This one. Okay, same concept as before. Sama concept saja. So yang ni potong jadi 1. Okay, you cancel become 1. And then here guys, what number on top should I put over here? Nombor apa? Remember, base plus digit. Asas tambah digit tu. Dapat apa? Yes, very good. 7. Okay. So then still cannot. Kita kena pinjam lagi. 7 potong jadi 6. So here, what do you get, guys? What number? Nombor apa ke atas? Yes, very good. 8. So then 5, 4, 8, 8 tolak dengan 4. Jadi 4. Lepas tu 6 tolak dengan 4 jadi 2. Lepas tu 1. So this will be your answer. Okay, jawapan kamu 1, 2, 4, asas 5. Okay, so make sure when you do this question, terutamanya dalam kertas 2, make sure you write the numbers far apart from each other. Tulis digit-digit tu berjauhan supaya lebih senang nampak dan tak confuse. Okay, so memudahkan pemeriksa jugalah bila buat macam ni. Okay, because this one there are a lot of numbers close to each other. Okay, so always asas 2 selalunya paling susah sebab banyak digit. So I give you all an example of subtraction now in base 2. Okay, asas 2 punya contoh. Let me think. 1. Okay. Okay. So can you all tell me the answer directly? Cuba buat yang ni sendiri dan bagi tahu jawapan dia, akhir dia. Jangan guna calculator, don't use calculator. Do manually. Nope. I think got some careless mistake, Jody. Try again. Slowly guys, sebab contoh ni saya saja reka supaya kena potong banyak-banyak. I just simply create this example so that it's a bit difficult. Yes, very good Afrika, betul. Sangat bagus. Tak perlu tulis digit kosong tu Afrika. Sebab kosong tu tak membawa makna kepada nilai. So you don't have to, yes, correct, Mejun. 1111. Okay, so how we get the answer? I'll show you guys. So you see these 2 digit, we cannot minus directly. Tak boleh tolak secara terus. So kena lihat kepada yang rakan sebelah, your neighbor. So this one boleh potong jadi kosong. So here, you have to add the base to the digit. Selalunya tambah digit kepada asas nombor 2. So you will get 2 over here. So 2 minus 1, okay, 1. And then again here, repeat the same process, 0. Kena pinjam. So this one kosong jadi 2. So you get 1. Again, kena repeat sekali lagi. Kosong. Lepas tu, potong yang ni jadi 2. So 1. And then again, so yang ni kena pinjam dari sini. You have to borrow the number from the most left because you have 0 here and also 0 here. So you cannot pinjam anything. So here, cut become 0. Here you cut become 2. Okay, and then you have to cut again. Kena potong lagi, jadi 1. And then this one you potong, boleh jadi 2. Okay, so you write out nicely, you will get this answer. There, this is your answer. 1111 base 2. Yang lain semua dah kosong dah. Kamu boleh lihat, yang ni kosong, yang ni kosong. So kosong-kosong tak perlu tulis. You don't need to write 0, 0. Okay guys, can you understand up till now? This is basically chapter 2. Seluruh bab 2 dah diringkaskan kat sini. Very short chapter only. But other than that, soalan situasi harian, application question, you have to do exercise lah. Untuk kaitkan semua pengetahuan ni dalam soalan aplikasi harian. So let's go through a bit of notes first before we attempt some questions with you guys. Okay, so this is the summary notes I gave you guys actually. So I think this might help you guys. Okay, so let's go through a bit. Okay, we look at this. Nilai tempat, place value in English. Okay, so oh wait, one more thing. One more thing, guys, I forgot. Wait first. Okay, let's say the question, katakan soalan got something like this. I want to convert base 2 to base 5. Adakah saya boleh buat penukaran secara terus? Can I convert directly a number from base 2 to base 5? No, very good. Okay, so what is the method I should use? Apa kaedah dia? Yes, convert to base 10 first. So this is an alternative route. Okay, so how we convert base 2 to base 10? Okay, macam mana kita tukar asas? We do a process called repeated multiplication, I think. Okay, we have to darab secara berulang kali. Okay, this is also an important part. And then base 10 to base 5, macam mana kita tukar, guys? How do we change? Ya, bahagi. Yes, correct. Atau kamu boleh kata kaedah LCM juga. If you all remember this method. Lowest common multiple. Okay. So this is the method. Ya, divide lah. Basically, kamu bahagi 5 secara berulang kali. Just continue to divide 5. Okay. So this is one of the summary. And then, guys, did you all know base 2 to base 10, there is actually a fast method to convert. Ada kaedah pantas untuk tukar dari asas 2 kepada asas 8. Semua tahu yang ni tak? It apply two ways guys, dua hala. Of course calculator, but there's another manual method, fast one. Kaedah manual, bukan calculator, untuk tukar dari asas 2 ke asas 8. I rasa buku teks pun bagi tahu. Are you all familiar with this? 000 macam ni kan. Ya, yang tu. Okay, don't worry. This method, kalau kamu tak tahu, no worries also. Because why guys? We always have the alternative. Kamu boleh pergi kepada asas 10 dulu. Lepas tu pergi ke asas 8. It means that if you don't know the shortcut method is okay. This method still can use. Masih boleh guna kaedah ini. Kalau kamu tak nak confuse, if you don't want to make yourself confused, just use the normal method for all the number to make your life easier. Okay, sebab soalan tak akan tanya guna kaedah tu secara spesifik. They won't ask you to use the shortcut method in any question. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this. But if you want to know it, you can check in your textbook sebagai info kepada kamu lah. Okay, so this is the extra thing I forgot to tell actually just now. So now, I rasa semua dalam nota dah diringkaskan sebenarnya. So now we go to some practice guys. Kita buat latihan sama-sama. Okay, so I ask you guys, you all want to answer public or we go like from person to person, answer one question. What you guys want? Nak pergi dari orang spesifik ke orang spesifik atau semua jawab? What you guys want? Public. Okay, everyone want public. Okay, so I follow you guys lah. We all democracy here guys, kita guna kaedah demokrasi. Jadi majority menang. So what is the value of digit 3 in base 10 in the number 1302 base 5? Okay guys. So first of all, untuk soal macam ni kamu kena kenal pasti kedudukan. You have to identify the position of the digit. So can you tell me guys, 2 ni kedudukan apa? What is the place value we give for number 2? Yes, very good. Always start with 0 guys. Jangan confuse. Mungkin kamu akan kata mula dengan 1, tapi bukan. We always start with 0 in base number. Okay, so this one definitely will be 1. This will be 2. This will be 3. Semua ni mewakili apa guys? 3, 2, 1, 0 ini in the end. What does all of this represent? Bila kita nak cari nilai. What does it represent? Yes, power of 5. Ya, kuasa. Semua ini adalah kuasa bagi asas 5. The power for the base 5. Yang ni adalah asas base 5. Okay, yeah, place value also correct. Can also. Your answer is correct also. Okay. So, what is the value of digit 3? Okay, guys, answer. What do you all get? Apa jawapan kamu? Okay, sama-sama lagi. Okay, very good. All agree with B. Yes, correct. So, B will be your answer for this. So, I think this one quite easy to do. So, for B, this is the method how we show the working. Tapi objektif tak perlu tunjuk working sebenarnya. So this is how we do it actually. Is the value of the digit 3 times the base power the position. Nilai digit 2 darab dengan asas kuasa dengan kedudukan. Ini adalah formula dia. So they just want this specific digit value. Nilai digit ni saja. Bukan seluruh nombor tu. Not the whole number, just a specific digit. So that's why we take 3 times 5 square. So you will get 75 as your final answer. Okay, so everyone understand? Semua faham? So, contoh ni? I think quite easy for you guys. Okay, so next one, we go plus. Come. Can you all try this? Without calculator, tanpa menggunakan calculator. Cuba buat secara manual. But of course, in your SPM, jika soalan macam ni keluar, terus guna calculator. Tak perlu fikir banyak-banyak. This one, I just want to test you all whether you all understand the concept. Sebab, kalau soalan ni keluar dalam kertas 2, kamu kena tunjuk jalan kira. If this come in paper 2, you all need working. Afika, kamu dapat jawapan berlainan ke? A, D. Oh, ada banyak. Sama-sama? D, D. Okay, I think, okay, D win. Majority menang. Donkey is the answer. Okay, so how to do? If those get A tadi, siapa-siapa dapat A, cuba lihat yang ni. Macam mana saya buat. Okay, this one actually not that complex pun. Tak begitu susah. So you see the 1 and 1, this is a common mistake usually. Sorry. This part for the 1 and 1. Okay, kamu akan dapat 2. You will get 2. So 2 kena tolak dengan asas nombor. Minus the base number. You will get 0. This is why I write 0 over here. And then you carry forward 1. Pinjam 1 ke atas. Okay, so then 3 minus 2. Again, sebab 1 ada 3. So that's why you get remainder 1. Sorry. The tablet a bit sensitive. 3 minus 2, you get 1. So then, you carry forward 1. Pinjam 1 lagi kali. So you'll get 1 again. And then copy back 1. Okay guys, can you understand? Boleh faham soalan ini? Macam mana buat tambah ni? Actually, it's a repeated process only. Proses yang berulang sahaja untuk asas nombor ni. Okay guys, so we go next slide. Next question. Okay, masih tambah. So come, practice again. Apa jawapan kamu untuk yang ni? Okay, Afika kata tadi. Others? I'll give you all time because you all need to work manually. Kamu kena buat secara manual yang ni. Okay, can see the majority. Okay, betul. Donkey betul. Okay, so you will get this answer for this question. So make sure jangan buat cuai pun kat sini. So you will get something like this. Okay, 11101. Sana yang ni tadi ke? Sorry. Is this the... soalan betul ke? Oh, I think I copy the wrong working for you guys. Oh, yang ni salah. Nanti saya akan ubah. This one is the wrong slide actually. The working supposed to be like this. Let me show down here. Saya tunjuk kat bawah ni. 100 110 plus with 1110. Okay, macam mana nak selesaikan yang ni? How to solve? So, 0 plus 0, you can write 0. 1 plus 1, already 2. 2 itu adalah limit bagi nombor dalam asas 2. Set number 2 is already the maximum for a base 2 number. That is why we must write 0. And then pinjam 1. 3 dah mengatasi limit. Dah mengatasi hadiah. Already above. So that's why you must take 3 minus 2. 3 tolak 2. So you get 1. And then pinjam again. 1 plus 1 still at the limit. Sebab kamu dapat 2. So you have to write 0. And then you pinjam again. You will get this answer. So this is your final answer for this. So ini sebab kamu dapat jawapan D. Okay guys, can understand? Boleh faham? Usually asas nombor soalan tak akan keluar susah guys. They cannot come up with difficult question one. If they want to test you, it will be on the basic arithmetic operation only. Operasi asas melibatkan asas nombor ni sahaja. Okay. So next one. Okay, now we go subtract now. Try to revise your subtraction. So what do you guys get for this? Jawapan kamu. Okay, Afika kata B. Others? Sama-sama guys, what do you all get? B. Okay, good. Okay, very good. So the answer is B. So 111001 base 2. So how to solve? You have to do like this. Okay, so a bit complex this working, but if you do secara manual, kamu boleh tahu macam mana dapat. So the concept always pinjam. You have to borrow the number if you cannot minus. If you get negative number untuk column 2, kalau kamu dapat nombor negatif bila tolak, always pinjam the number from the next column. Okay, so this is the concept basically to solve this kind of question. Okay guys, up till now, any question you all have? Ada apa-apa masalah kamu ada? You all struggle anywhere? Or everything okay? All 100% smooth? You know, response, I take it as okay for everyone. So we go next one. So this one. Okay, this one a bit different. Soal, pattern soalan dia agak berbeza sikit. So can you all tell what's the answer for this? Apa jawapan kamu dapat untuk yang ni? Okay, lagi-lagi. Soalan macam ni betul-betul uji kamu boleh buat pendalaman ke tak. This type of question really test you whether you know how to convert from base 2 to base 10. Okay, so soalan macam ni saja yang menguji kamu. Okay, others guys, what do you get? Try to comment your answer so that I know you all can do or not. Cuba comment. Okay, Susan gets C. This one got trick guys. Soalan ini ada satu trick. Kamu kena hati-hati. There is a trick over here. Okay, I think Nabila pun cakap, okay. So I discuss now. Okay, this one, if you see carefully guys, untuk dua digit ini, kamu sedar tak guys, they all aware, they actually don't include over here. Mereka tak tulis bagi kamu. Why? Why the question never type for you the expansion? Mengapa soalan tak bagi kat kamu info yang nombor kosong tu? What's the reason guys? Can anyone tell me? Sebab kamu nampak ada dua, yes, you always get zero, very good. Kamu akan selalu dapat kosong. Jadi tak perlu tulis pun. You don't need to write it out. Itu sebab soalan tak tulis. So you only need to focus on these two number. Fokus pada nombor paling depan dan akhir sahaja. So yang ni, kamu tahu bahawa kedudukan dia adalah 2 kuasa kosong, 2 power 0. And this number is 2 power 3. Okay, so can you see over here? Fokus pada yang ni. 1 times 8 power n equals to 1 times 2 power 3. Okay, so you cannot directly say, kamu tak boleh terus kata n sama dengan 3. So this is why C is wrong, Susan. Okay, because the number is not the same. Nombor dia tak sama, 8 and 2. So you cannot compare directly. Okay, so if you try to see, 2 power 3 is what actually? 1 times 8. Okay, so what is the power on top here? If I ask you, 1 times 8, the power of 8 is what? Apa kuasa untuk digit 8 tu? Others also can answer. You all can answer also. Which part? Yeah, kuasa 1, correct. So that is why your answer is 1. And bandingkan dengan kuasa bagi 8. Suka, which one? This question. Okay, sure. Okay, so I do down here. Oh, never mind. I just show my working. Then you will understand better. Okay, so it's like this. So you have to identify the place value of the numbers first. Kenal pasti kedudukan semua nombor. Okay, so then you do the expansion. Convert this number to base 10. Cuba tukarkan nombor ni dari asas 2 ke asas 10. So you convert one by one. 1 times 2 power 3. You can see over here. 1 times 2 power 3. Actually, this one no need to write lah. 0 times 2 square and 0 times 2 1. Sebab nilai dia masih kosong. But the n1 you can write lah. 1 darab dengan 2 kuasa kosong. Okay, so when you simplify this, you will get this. Because 2 power 3 is 8. And then you bandingkan. Try to compare with what the question give you. The question give you 1 times 8 power n. Okay, so can you now see why n is 1, Sukra? Both of it, 1 and 2 must be equal. So for 1 and 2 to be equal, your n must be power 1 lah. Because 8 power 1 is equal to 8. So ini uji tentang index kamu. Okay, they test you on your indices knowledge. Okay, so 8 power 1 is 8. You must remember this. So this is how you can do the comparison for this part. Kamu kena bandingkan bahagian ini. Okay, so hope you all understand this part. So next one, we go to this one. Okay, again, minus. Can you all tell me, guys, what's the answer for this? Apa jawapan dia? Okay, some more. This is the best time for you guys to practice. Tak ada peluang macam ni untuk kamu latih diri macam ni. Sebab semua soalan ini saya kumpul dari soalan sebenar SPM tahun lepas. The actual SPM question from past year. So all of this you are actually doing past year now. Semua soalan ini. Dari tahun 2010, I rasa. Others? A also. Okay, good. Okay, bagus. Jawapan dia A. Okay, so how you solve this? Again, same method. So you just need to buat pinjam dan dapat jawapan. Just borrow the number from the previous number. Then you should be able to get the answer. So whenever, if you guys check, kalau kamu semak, tiba-tiba nampak nombor 2 dalam jawapan kamu. Maksudnya kamu kena check baliklah pengiraan kamu. Sebab tak mungkin, if your answer is in base 2, kalau jawapan kamu asas 2, tiba-tiba nampak digit 2 dalam jawapan kamu. Mustahil. That cannot happen. So you have to check back whether you do any careless mistake. Ataupun kamu boleh guna calculator terus. Okay, so this is just manual method untuk kertas 2 kamu. Okay guys, can you understand this question? Boleh faham soalan ini? I think kita dah ulang. No, which part? Jody. Do you want me to show step by step? I try to do down here. I just show you guys one more time because some people don't understand yet. So I have to be fair to everyone. So this one is 1011. Okay. How to minus these two number? Macam mana nak tolak dua nombor ni? Kalau dalam asas 2. So Jody, can I minus these two number directly? Yes or no? No. Okay. So what do we do if we cannot minus directly? What is the step? What action should I do? Yeah, correct. No need base 10, Susan. This one base 2. We are now doing base 2 penolakan. So what's the step now? If I cannot minus these two directly, guys. Apa saya perlu buat sekarang?
Pinjam.
Yes, correct. Pinjam. Always remember, guys, in base number, if you cannot solve a certain column, always remember pinjam. Make sure this is in your mind. Okay. So this one become 2. Okay, because 2 plus 0, you get 2. And then here you will get 1 already. And then you see again. Can I pinjam from this, Jody, for the next column? Yes or no?
No.
Yeah, no. Okay. So can I pinjam from here? Yes or no? Yes or no? 0 and 1, can I pinjam?
No.
Cannot. So definitely here lah. So this we take cancel become 0. So then here you add 2, become 2. And then still I have to cancel become 1. Remember, whenever I'm moving to the next column, kena potong nombor ke atas tu dengan 1. Kena tolak dia dengan 1. So then here become 2. And then again, I must cancel to become 1. Must remember this. So then I can cancel this to become 2. So then you will get 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is your answer. Can you understand now, Jody? So it's just basically cancel minus 1 and then pindah. That's the concept.
Yes.
Okay, good. So just practice more on this kind of operation question, then you can get better at it.
Okay.
So next question, I think still got more similar type of questions, so you can see also. Okay, so this one a bit different. So do you all want to attempt? What answer do you get for this? Apa jawapan kamu? This one I have 2 methods to show you guys actually. 101408. Okay, lagi. One method is called the shortcut method. Another method is the longer way. If you understand very well, kamu boleh buat yang ni dengan pantas tanpa jalan kerja yang panjang. Okay guys, others, what do you get? What answer? Or are you guys still trying slowly? If you guys get any other answer, don't be afraid to share. Kalau kamu dapat jawapan yang selain B pun, jangan risau share. Because you learn from your mistake in the end. Okay, yes. Okay, so B is the correct answer, guys. So here, I can show you 2 methods actually to solve this question. Okay, so method 1, this one is the fast method, express method. So you see over here, focus over here first. Saya boleh darab nombor 8 ini masuk ke semua ungkapan kat sini. I can times the 8 to all the 3 terms over here. So this is how I get this one. Lepas tu saya cuba ubah sikit. I change a bit the equation. Let's say like 8 power 4 is actually equal to 1 times 8 power 4. Sebab satu darab dengan apa-apa nombor masih kamu dapat nilai nombor tu. Okay, 1 times any number you will get that number's value. Same with 8 power 2. I become 1 times 8 power 2. And then this one, 8 times 4, you might be thinking 32. So it's actually 4 times 8 power 1. Okay? Yeah, no worries, I know. Because last week also same. Okay, so you'll get like this. 4 times 8 power 1. Okay, so then you just fill in the number. 8 power 4, you have number 1. And then 8 power 2, you also have number 1, as you can see over here. And then 8 power 1, you have number 4. Okay, guys, can you understand this express method? How to get the answer? Yes or no? Because if no, also I have the second method for you guys. Can understand the express one? Okay, good. So this is the fast way to identify the answer actually. But let's say you guys cannot imagine this. Kamu tak boleh bayangkan yang ni. Jangan risau sebab kamu boleh buat kaedah yang ni. Kalau kamu sedar, kamu boleh kira nilai ini sebenarnya. You can count the whole value of this using your calculator. And jawapan yang kamu dapat adalah dalam asas 10. The answer you get will be in base 10. So all you need to do is just convert. All of what you need to do is just convert this number back to base 8. Kamu hanya perlu tukarkan asas 10 kepada asas 8. Guna kaedah pembahagian berulang. Yes, you can do method 2. No worries. Sebab soalan tak akan kata guna method apa. Okay, it's really up to you guys actually. Kalau paper 2 pun boleh buat macam ni. Okay. So make sure bila kamu cuba baca jawapan, read from the bottom to the top guys. Kena baca digit-digit tu dari bawah ke atas. Bukan terbalik. So you will get 10140 base 8. Sama sahaja dengan yang kaedah 1. Tengok, jawapan masih sama. Okay guys, can you understand this question? Slightly different a bit, boleh faham tak? How the pattern to solve this kind of question? Can, okay, good. So we see some more type of question. What is it there? Okay, this one is, okay, another practice for you guys untuk penolakan. Kalau siapa-siapa struggle, cuba yang ni pula for minusing. So you tell me your answer once you guys done. Okay, others? Lain orang? Okay, very good guys. C is the correct answer. Okay, so kamu sepatutnya dapat jawapan C. So how to do? Actually, this kind of question you all must do by yourself, because kalau kamu nampak yang ni secara terus, kamu tak akan faham sebenarnya. You all have to try on your own and then compare with how I do. So soalan macam ni tak ada cara lain saya boleh tunjuk melainkan kaedah ini. Ada satu kaedah sahaja, only one method. So I have to show like this the working. Okay, so you all have to try one by one. Gerak dari kanan ke kiri, move from right to left to get the answer. Okay, so you should get that kind of value lah. Okay, so everyone okay up till now? Before we go next question, semua okay? Tak mau nanti ada yang tertidur pula. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Okay, masih macam tadi, agak berlainan the type of question. So can you all try this? What do you all get for this? This one also test you all on the indices knowledge, menguji kamu tentang pemahaman indeks. Yang ni pun kena guna kaedah yang saya guna tadi, the comparison method, kena bandingkan dua-dua belah persamaan. Actually guys, got one fast method for you all. Ada satu kaedah pintas, hanya boleh guna untuk objektif. What is the method? You all just try to sub all the values one by one inside here. Press the whole calculator for this equation. Cuba tekan seluruh persamaan ini bila kamu gantikan setiap pilihan jawapan satu per satu. Lepas tu, cuba convert yang ni kepada asas 10. Kalau kamu dapat jawapan sama untuk dua-dua belah, maksudnya itu adalah jawapan dia. Do you get my method, guys? Just randomly substitute one by one and then change this from base 2 to base 10, see which one is equal to each other. So kamu tak perlu pun buat jalan kira sebenarnya. Just compare only. Just sub randomly the values into the X. Lepas tu tekan calculator sahaja. Okay, so this is the express method actually for you guys. Okay, others, what do you all get? So far 1-1. So I cannot decide yet. Satu orang kata A, satu orang kata C. What the others get? Wah, got B. So 1-1-1. Wow. Yang ni ada aneka jawapan. Many type of answer. Oh, C winning. Okay, some more. 2C, 1B, 1A. Lagi. How you guys get C? I think... Oh, I know already. I think you guys choose C got careless a bit. I know why already. Actually, the answer is A, guys. Jawapan dia A. Okay, so 5 is the correct answer. I know why you all make the mistake. Those who get C, did you all get until like this? Bila kamu dapat jawapan C, did you all do until over here? Did you all get this step, guys? For those who choose C? This your mistake. They want X value, guys, not this value. Mereka hanya nak X, the one inside here. So you need to compare. So this is why the answer is 5. Okay. Yang ni twice saja. Just a careless mistake. So your answer should be A. Okay. So how to do this kind of question? You can see over here. So this is the method I actually use. The comparison method. So saya hanya kembangkan yang ni saja. I just expand the number. So all for the digit 0, guys. Do I need to write out in my working? Perlu tak saya tulis pengembangan bagi digit 02? Yes or no? Yes, no need. Waste time only. Bazir masa saja. Sebab tak ada apa-apa nilai. Okay, so just write for the digit 1 only. Enough. Okay, so you will get something like this. So then kamu bandingkan 2 kuasa 8 dengan 2 kuasa X tambah 3. Compare directly. So this is how you will get X equal to 5. Okay guys, can you understand this question? Boleh faham? So yang ni tricky sikit. Slightly tricky. Boleh ya? Okay, good. So next one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, they ask you to find digit M, nilai bagi value M. But here, they give you in base 5. Yang ni dalam asas 10. Means what is the step, guys, I should do to solve this question? Oh, dah bagi jawapan terus. Okay, some more. If you all want to try the answer, you can tell me your answer. So, boleh cuba. Yeah, correct, divide 5. Kamu kena buat pembahagian berulang. Okay, very good. Yes, your answer will be boy. Okay, so this one you have to work manually sebab calculator tak boleh bantu untuk yang ni. But guys, the advanced calculator yang class width 2, boleh tak tukar antara dua base ini? Yes or no? I don't know actually this one, so I'm asking you guys. Boleh tak? Untuk yang advanced calculator punya, asas 5 ke asas 10 macam tu. Can lah? Oh, cannot also. Okay, so means for all calon same lah. Kamu kena buat secara manual. Okay, so you should get the answer of 2. So you will get something like this. Okay, so you just need again to convert from base 5. Oh, yang ni saya buat terbalik. Saya pergi dari asas 5 ke asas 10. Yang ni pun boleh. This one also can. Okay, or you can go from base 10 to base 5, also accepted. Okay, so this one I do the expansion from base 5 to base 10. So I will get this answer actually. So this one is equal to the number they give there. Sama dengan 1812. So saya perlu hanya cari nilai M ni secara algebra. So I will get M equals to 2. Okay, can you understand this guys? Boleh faham kaedah ni? Can understand lah? Okay, so we go next one. Okay, calculate the difference. Okay, minus question again. Cuba latih diri. This one another minus question. Okay, Afrika kata B. Others? Okay, B some more. Kamu boleh lihat guys, selalunya bila keluar asas 2, the number will be very complex. So you see the trend from the past SPM, they'll always ask complex number. Yes, very good. Jawapan dia B. Kamu semua tak try. Very good. Okay, so your answer you will get B. So the method like this. Okay, oh yang ni sebenarnya lebih senang. Tak ada banyak pinjaman. Bila bilangan pinjaman tu bertambah baru lebih kamu akan lebih try. So this one actually quite easy to get answer. Okay, so kamu hanya perlu buat pinjaman 2 kali saja. Just 2 or 3 times of borrowing, then you should get the answer. Okay, so next one, next question. We'll come to structure soon now, guys. Then we can see how is the pattern for structure. Okay, this question. Okay, so they asked to find the value of P. Okay, so can you tell me guys, what's the answer for this? Apa jawapan dia untuk soalan ni? Sama? West? Yang lain? Others guys, others? Okay, sama-sama. Saya bagi masa kat kamu untuk cuba sebab kita ada masa. Wow, you guys very jujur ah. Kamu semua kat sini sangat jujur. Mengapa tak ada siapa-siapa kata C? Sebab dah dibulatkan kat sini C. Why you guys never tell me C? Can I know the reason? Mengapa kamu semua tak kata kat saya C? Jawapan dah ada kat situ C. Any reason guys? Actually, you all do a good thing. Kamu buat benda bagus sebenarnya. Because this one I sengaja put for you guys only. I just simply circle the answer to see whether you all pay attention or not. Or just simply tembak the answer I give here. Okay, so very good. You guys actually memang do the question over there. So this is the method I identify you guys whether do the question or not. So I just randomly put an answer there to see whether you all write C or not for me. Kalau siapa-siapa tulis C, saya tahu dah. Muwendi tak buat soalan. Terus tengok jawapan saya bagi dan type dalam chat box. Okay, so very good. You guys are really honest people. Okay, so this will be how we solve the question. Okay, so P5 equals 347 base 8. So we need to convert the 347 base 8 kepada asas 10 because we cannot convert directly base 8 to base 5. Tak boleh buat penukaran secara terus dari asas 8 ke 5. So we always need this base 10 info. Dari sini kita tukar yang asas 10 kepada asas 5. 231 base 10 convert to base 5. So again, read from bottom to top. Your answer will be 1411. Okay, when you do the repeated division. Okay guys, can you understand this question? Boleh faham soalan ini? Can, okay, good. So next one. Okay, this one. Yang ni juga, okay, yang ni sebenarnya tolak saja. So can you try? What answer you guys get? Okay. I rasa mental kamu semua sangat kuat. You all very tough mentally. You all not easily influenced by the answer I give you again. Okay, correct? The answer is B guys. Jangan lihat jawapan saya A ni lepas tu kata jawapan A. The answer is B actually. Okay, so your P will be 0, Q is 1. Very good. Okay, so this is how we do the working. So kamu perlu hanya bandingkan. You just need to compare this digit and this digit to identify your P and Q value. Okay, so anyone have problem with this? The minusing, siapa-siapa ada masalah untuk tolak dua-dua nombor ni? All okay? I just don't want anyone to feel left out here. Saya tak mau siapa-siapa ketinggalan. That's why I'm asking this question. Okay, so if you feel left out, you must tell. Don't just sit silent over there, then hopeless like that. Kena selalu bertanya. Then only I know where you all weak. Okay, so we go next question. Okay, yang ni pun senang. Can you all tell me the answer for this? What do you all get? Yang ni saya bagi hints. Ini adalah markah idaman semua orang dalam matematik. This is your dream mark to achieve for maths exam. What is the answer? Saya bagi jawapan kamu terus kat kamu semua. This is the dream mark everyone want to achieve. Okay, yes, semua dapat hints betul. Yes, your answer is A. Okay, so all of you must score 100 dalam SPM. Kena dapat 100%. No lah, just joking with you guys. As long you get A or A plus, okay already. No need to get 100. Okay, just get the A is enough. Okay, A2 dah cukup. So this is how we do the working. So 4 times 5 square. Because they want the nilai digit 4. The value of digit 4. So we have to identify the place value, kedudukan dia. Of course, okay. A minus also counted as A. When you go inside the real world, they won't ask you A minus, A atau A plus. Mereka tanya A ke tak. Everyone will ask you, do you get A or not? They won't ask you A minus, A or A plus. No significant actually. All these actually all the same only. If they see A means A already, nothing else. They won't see whether A minus, A or A plus. But for your personal satisfaction, then yes lah, you will see A minus, A or A plus untuk memuaskan diri sendiri. So of course everyone want to target A plus lah. Who don't want A plus guys? Siapa kat sini tak mau A plus ni? Everyone in this world want A plus, right? Untuk SPM mereka. Okay. So this is our goal guys, to get A plus. Remember that. So although if you all fall, you don't fall so much. Kamu tak jatuh dengan banyak. Mungkin dapat A minus seteruk-teruk pun. Okay. Because the grade will go down also. Yeah, God bless you guys. Okay, I hope lah this SPM won't be so tough for you guys actually. Saya doa lah tak begitu susah untuk kamu semua. Because your batch also go through a lot, I know, because of the COVID and also the, what else? The early SPM announcement, SPM diawalkan, semua faktor-faktor ni bagi kamu semua susah sekarang. But what to do? Satu batch kena suffer lah. Lepas tu batch-batch lain akan jadi normal dah. So kesian you guys actually, because this batch terima impact sangat besar. Okay, so never mind lah. You guys are the gifted ones. Whenever things like this happen, there's surely a reason one. You guys are the strongest. That is why it come like this for you guys. Sebab mental kamu semua kuat. Kamu kena percaya dengan diri sendiri. Batch ni ada speciality dia. There is a speciality in this batch. Okay, so keep on fighting. So this will be your answer for this question. Answer will be A. So next one. Don't worry lah, don't worry. Everything will come out good for you guys. Selalu doa benda-benda baik. Just pray for the best. Everything will happen the best one for you guys. Don't worry. Okay, so next question. Okay, can you tell me guys, what's the answer you get for this? Apa jawapan kamu? Okay, line, others? 2 more questions, we done the objective already. Okay, very good. Answer will be donkey. Very good. Okay, so this one, I think only one method, satu kaedah sahaja. Yeah, so you need to actually convert this whole part, seluruh bahagian yang ni kepada asas 10. Convert the whole thing to base 10. You will get this answer. And then you do the repeated division, pembahagian berulang. And then you will get this answer in base 8. So again, remember, read from bottom to top. Kena baca dari bawah ke atas. So you'll get 303 base 8. So your answer you should get as donkey. Okay, so this one I feel quite okay still, not that difficult. So next one. Okay, this one, same type of question. So what's the answer guys? Apa jawapan dia? Hey, are you sure? I think got careless there. Okay, C, others? Okay, very good guys. Answer will be C. Jawapan dia C, 16. Okay, so this will be the working. Okay, so kamu hanya perlu guna formula balik. The digit times the base, power the position always. Nilai digit tu darab dengan asas, kuasa dengan kedudukan digit tu. So then you will get 16 as your answer. Okay, so for the last objective question, yang paling akhir, I feel this is the most difficult lah. Ini adalah yang paling susah saya boleh cari. So this is why I put it as the last. So try and see. This kind of question guys, what method do you all will use? Apa kaedah kamu akan guna untuk jawab soalan macam ni? What method? Sebab yang ni kamu tak ada info P dan Q sebenarnya. Tukar jadi base 2. Semua dalam base 2, Fika. Semua nombor ni dalam asas 2. Oh, kamu maksud use answer. Yes, correct. Correct, Susan. minus lah, minus together. Oh, okay. Yeah, can also change the base 10. Okay, good. So basically the method here is trial and error, guys. Kamu cuba setiap pilihan, tolak, tengok dapat jawapan tak. This is what we call trial and error method in mathematics. Okay, kaedah cuba dan I think it's trial and improvement method if I'm not mistaken. Kaedah cuba dan perbaiki atau macam tu. Okay, trial and improvement method. So this is how we find the answer actually. So the answer you should get is actually D. Donkey jawapan dia. Okay, so if you try one by one, you should get something like this. Okay, so you check and see mana akan bagi jawapan yang betul. So you'll find out that donkey. Sebenarnya pilihan D ni lah yang paling senang nak buat. Okay, yeah, I know. I will tell you guys. Don't worry. Okay, so D sebenarnya paling senang nak dapat jawapan. Okay, so that's why the answer is D actually. Okay, so until here guys, all the objective we cover, can you understand about number bases? Semua soalan objektif, boleh faham tak? Kita buat banyak latihan. Okay, good. So now we go to structure. Okay, so this one people say cannot see, right? So I write out for you guys. This one is 547 asas 9. This one is 2441 asas 6. Okay guys, so I ask you a question. Keeper so far, kalau kita lihat dua-dua nilai ni secara terus, can we make a conclusion? Boleh tak kita katakan yang ni lebih murah sebab kamu lihat nilai dia 547 sahaja dan yang ni 2441. Ya, tak boleh. Yes, must change to base 10 then only can compare. Or if you guys want, you can change this to base 9 and also compare. Kaedah ini juga pun boleh. Or you change this to base 6 and then compare both. So there's 3 methods you can use actually. Doesn't mean you must change both to base 10. Tak semestinya. You can change this to base 9 and compare with this, or you change this to base 6 and compare with this. Okay, so you have 3 methods. So can you tell me guys, what is your answer? What is the cheapest so far? Okay, boleh bagi nilai tak Afrika? Nilai yang kamu dapat dalam asas 10. What is the value for sofa M? 448, yes, correct. How about sofa N guys? What value you get? Asas 10 bagi sofa N2. 13, betul ke? 1313. Cuba cek balik Afika, 13132. Yang tu saya rasa terlalu mahal dah untuk sebuah sofa. $61 lah. Wait guys, I try to count again. 2 times 6. Does anyone get any other answer? Can you share? For sofa N? I'm trying to check back my answer. Plus 4 times 36. 24. Yeah. You're supposed to get 601 guys, not 61. Kamu sepatutnya dapat 601 for sofa N. Okay, so I think careless mistake lah again. So this is how you should do actually. Okay, kamu sepatutnya dapat jawapan 448 dan 601. Silap guna base. Okay. Yang ni adalah soalan SPM sebenar 2021. This is the actual question for SPM Maths in 2021. So yang baru sajalah tukar format. Keluar dalam kertas 2. Okay, so can you understand this question guys? Boleh faham soalan struktur ni? After this last question already. Soalan terakhir. Understand or not guys? Before we go for the last one. Okay, boleh. Come, last one. Okay. Happy now. Last question. Okay, total number of chili planted is 8415. Okay, 8415 dalam asas apa guys nilai ni? What value is it? Yes, base 10. Very good. Okay, whenever they don't state, bila tak nyatakan, terus anggap sebagai asas 10. Just assume. So now they ask to calculate the Q value in June. So what is the step you must use here, guys? Apa langkah kamu untuk cari Q2? What is the step you all must take over here? This is the values, if you cannot see directly. If you all want to give your answer for Q also can. Yeah, kena tukar jadi asas 10. So what do you guys get for Q? Any answer, guys? You all get? Jawapan apa kamu semua dapat untuk Q2? The total is over here, 8415. 3805. Yes, correct, Afrika. So you all should get 3805 as your final answer. Okay, kalau kamu cuba tukar yang ni satu per satu slowly, you all should get 3805. So ambil jumlah, tolak dengan tiga nilai ini. Then you will calculate your value for Q. Okay, so this is how we do the working. Nanti jangan risau guys, kalau tak sempat salin, I'll always send the PDF in the group actually, so you all can refer later. So again, you must know how to convert from different bases. Asas berlainan terus pergi asas 10, macam asas 5, 8 dan 7. Okay, so all of these apply the same concept. Kaedah sama saja. So then you just add up all the numbers equal to 8415. Then you will get your final answer 3805. Okay guys, can you understand? Boleh faham untuk bab ni? Better? Do you all like the practice today? Semua suka tak? Latihan hari ni. Good, huh? Okay, so for ending, I give you all a quote for you guys to inspire you all. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Boleh faham tak guys pernyataan ini? Yeah. Later I will tell you guys. Hold on. Don't leave yet. So you all understand this quote. Sebenarnya ada dua orang, jenis orang kat dunia ni. There are two types. One is the hard worker. One is the genius. Tapi sebenarnya kalau kamu usaha lebih keras, hard worker can always beat the genius. Genius tu yang talent lah. So always believe in hard work guys. Hard work always will win the genius one at the end of the day. Walaupun segenius manapun orang tu, selalunya usaha keras akan menang pada akhir hari. Trust in this concept. Okay, so selalu humble, merendah diri walaupun setinggi manapun ilmu kamu. Because at the end of the day, you are just another person in this world. Kamu hanya satu lagi manusia sahaja di dunia ini. So nothing so great actually. So always work hard every day and then you will get the result at the end of the day. Saya selalu jealous dengan rakan saya. Dia hanya perlu faham satu hari je. Yeah, that type of people exist in this world. Orang macam tu ada kat dunia ni. Tapi kamu kena lihat pada diri sendiri, Afrika. Bandingkan diri kamu dengan diri sendiri. Jangan tengok orang lain. Don't compare yourself with other people's grade. Compare yourself with the person in the mirror. Image orang kat cermin tu adalah persaingan yang paling sukar, iaitu diri kamu sendiri. Cuba lawan diri kamu sendiri. Very tough guys to fight your own self. So this is what you all must compete for. Compete with yourself. Jangan compete dengan orang lain. Because at the end of the day, SPM, grade is for yourself only. Mereka takkan bandingkan grade untuk menentukan kedudukan dalam SPM. SPM tak ada kedudukan guys. In your SPM, there is no position number 1, number 2. It's just whether you get 9A plus, 9A, 8A, 7A. Like that only. There is no position number 1, number 2 or like that. So this is why janganlah terlalu what to say, over concern about the mark actually. Okay, tak perlu sangat risau tentang yang tu. Okay guys, so if you all need help in maths or maths, you can always refer my YouTube channel. If you need any video to help any chapter that you feel weak, can always see my YouTube channel lah. Okay, yeah, you're welcome. So I want to tell one more thing, don't leave, one more thing, last thing before I go. So did you all see the message guys in the group semalam? Semua nampak tak my message in the group? Okay, so how you guys feel about it? Macam mana rasa and you all see that message? Do you all feel motivated to do the extra question I sent? Tak lah, tak marah, not angry. I'm not angry with you guys. I just want to get a message across saja. I just want to tell you all something only to make you all get passionate for your coming trial or SPM. Not marah at all, not even 1%. I never marah one with you guys. I ask you guys, all of you know me, right? Have I ever marah you guys in the class? Yes or no? Pernah tak saya marah mana-mana orang dalam kelas? No, right? Yeah? Everyone say no. Means I will never marah you guys one. It's just an advice. Jangan ambil terlalu serious. Sekadar nasihat sahaja. Okay, so those questions I will send later. So I give you all time, all of you, 1 week. 1 minggu until our next class. You can submit to me the extra question anytime you do. So just take picture of your answer, then just send to my WhatsApp. I'll help you guys to check lah. Okay, so like for objective, kamu hanya senaraikan macam nombor 1A like that. No need to write working. Objective, just give me the answer. And then for subjective, kamu kena tunjuk jalan kira lah. For subjective part, make sure to show me your working. For objective, no need. Just list out the answer for the extra question I sent. Okay guys, can you promise me you all will do the extra question? Boleh janji tak? This is to improve you guys one, you know. I volunteer help you guys check actually. Okay, yes or no guys? Do you all agree with this? Boleh setuju tak? Janji, okay, good. Everyone good here. All this I do is for your guys' benefit for SPM only actually. You see, to be fair guys, just to be fair with you guys, I also show something to you guys lah over here. So you see this one. You see this guys. Can you see this? What is this? Apa sebenarnya yang ni guys? What is this actually? Can anyone tell me? All of this. What is this? Can anyone tell lah? Cuba nampak. This is actually the slide I actually used just now. Just now I showed the slide, right? Saya buat presentation. No, not handmade question. Yes, working sheet. Just now saya tunjuk jalan kira kan setiap soalan. Yeah, you can go. So I actually do the question also before I actually come and deliver to you guys. So this is the motivation. Saya pun buat soalan sebelum saya ajar kamu semua. So I'm sure you guys can also do the extra question as a return for me. Balasan. So this is what I want to show you guys. I also do the question. Sebenarnya saya tak perlu buat pun. Saya hanya perlu tulis bila saya live. But I prepare also to ensure you guys get the full quality. Quality 100%. So I do the preparation for you guys before every lesson. So if you want to get quality lesson, this is how it takes lah. You must prepare yourself before your exam if you want to get good grades. So this is the lesson lah, pengajaran. Okay guys, So yeah, that's it for today. So if you want to do the question, you can send to me. Anyone new here? Siapa-siapa baru kat sini? Like don't have my number yet? Because later if you want to send the question, you cannot send also. So this is my number. If anyone don't have, you can PM my number. If anyone new over here lah. Kalau tak dapat nombor saya lagi. Okay, so you can take down this number later. If you want to do the extra question, then you just send to me lah if you want. Okay, so no forcing guys. Tak ada apa-apa paksaan. Kamu buat secara rela, sukarela. Okay, if you want to do, if you want to improve yourself, you just do and send to me like that. Okay, so any other question you guys have, you can ask now. Ada apa-apa soalan extra like you guys have on studies or anything?